In this video, I want to share with you 7 trending niches for Redbubble and also give you prompts for ideogram for all of those trending niches as well. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those 7 trending Redbubble niches, just want to do a quick sales update for merch by Amazon. So it is Saturday morning, May 18th, 9:06 a.m. and already sitting at 20 sales, $36 in royalties. That's going to put me at 1,185 sales for the month and $1,765 for this month. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 18 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So I kind of want to do a little something different. Instead of just always doing merch niches, I figure I switch it up and do some Redbubble niches as well. And actually all of these niches all the prompts for these niches you actually download for free on Gumroad. I will have a link in the description. So this is it right here. You can see it's zero. It's completely free. If you want, you can leave a donation. Shout out to Frederick. I got a donation from him the other day. So if you want to shout out, you can leave a donation, but that's totally not mandatory at all or necessary. All you have to do is just put a 0 here and you can get the 7 prompts for free for Redbubble. But let's go ahead and take a look at the first niche. And the first niche is one that hits close to home because it is Jalisco. And one quick thing here, when you see the ticker trending up like this on Redbubble, that means it is trending. All right. Now I don't really know why these are trending, but it is trending, so that's why I want to share it with you. But right here we're going to see Jalisco. Now Jalisco is a state in Mexico, and it's actually the state that I live in. So right here, if we go to Google, we're going to see Jalisco. It's a Mexican state, and the reason why Jalisco is so popular is, one, is because it's where Guadalajara is, which is like the second biggest city in Mexico after Mexico, but it's also where mariachi music and tequila is from. There's actually a city here about 2 hours away, which is actually called Tequila, where they make a lot of the tequila, obviously, and mariachi music, which is very popular Mexican music. So it's just a very popular Mexican state, and we can see here that this keyword, or Jalisco, is trending, and the competition is at 1,181 results, so it's looking pretty low here. Here are what some of the designs look like. Stickers are always going to be the best sellers on Redbubble. Then you're going to have t-shirts, then probably mugs. Phone cases also do good also. And here is the prompt that I have for you and how it came out. So this is a prompt. I'm basically giving all the magic prompts in this Word file right here. When you make the download, those magic prompts I find tend to just be more descriptive and better. So this is what Ideogram came up with. Comment below, let me know what you think. But I think these all look really good. This is kind of like the eagle from the Mexican flag or the Mexican emblem. But they all look really nice. The only one that was kind of messed up was this one right here, because it just says that, like, they don't even spell that wrong, but you can just get rid of that. But just this looks really good. So comment below, let me know what you think. And then the next trending Redbubble niche I have for you is this keyword right here that says Kempo karate. We can see that it has this symbol ticking up, so it is trending. Again, don't really know why it's trending. If we go to Google, we will see what Kempo karate is. It looks like it is a certain style of karate. I don't really know what the difference is between like Kempo or Taekwondo, for example, but you can do a little research. But it's low in competition, only 421 results. I noticed a lot of them have this kind of yin-yang with the dragon and the tiger. That's actually the design that I went with. But I thought this one was pretty good as well. A lot of them are selling on black. Here is the image or the design and the prompt. So right here we're going to see this actually looks really nice. And I haven't upscaled these either. Here was some of the other. I thought this was the best because of the font right here. I like that, but you can also go with that one. It's kind of messed up right there. That looks pretty good. Not too sure what that red thing is. I think this was the best one. Let's take a look at this. Now you can always remix these, and you can also edit the prompt as well. That is going to be the second trending Redbubble niche I have for you, is Kempo karate. And then the next niche that I have for you is Tasmanian tiger. Let me just type it in right here. So we're going to see that this is trending, or at least should be trending. Don't know why it's not doing it. Let's try it again. Tasmanian. Right there we can see Tasmanian tiger. There's only 653 results, and this one's pretty easy because you don't really need to have any text. You can see right here, this one is just a Tasmanian tiger, Tasmanian tiger. You can even do like a pattern, which is kind of cool. But yeah, low in competition. if you don't know what a Tasmanian tiger is, you can just do a quick Google search. One thing that I will mention is though, when you do the prompt, it's important that you use this kind of scientific word for it, because every time I use Tasmanian tiger, it just gave me like a normal Bengal tiger. So until I use this word in the prompt, then it started to work. But I think this is an extinct animal. And here is what the design looked like, or that I came up with, the one that I decided to go with. So this is just a very common t-shirt phrase that we've seen over the years on merch by Amazon for the most part. So this is my human costume. I'm really a Tasmanian tiger. Now you will have to get rid of this. I couldn't get rid of this for some reason, but you can just pop that into Photoshop. That's also where I get rid of the backgrounds. A lot of people ask me that. You can use Canva, Photopea, but I like to use Photoshop because that's just the software that I always use for designing. And this is what the prompt looks like. And that is going to be the third trending niche to have for you, is Tasmanian tiger. And the next trending Redbubble niche that I have for you is Yasuke. I think I'm saying that right. We can see that it is trending. If we go to Google, Yasuke, it looks like he was the first samurai of African descent, or black samurai, some type of warrior. But we could see that it is trending. Only 181 results. Pretty cool in my opinion. And when I went to go ahead and make the design on ideogram, this is what I came out with. It's pretty badass in my opinion. Here what some of the other ones look like. I think this would go really well on like some type of wall art. I believe I chose poster. Yeah, right here, poster. You can choose these tags at the bottom to kind of give it more like a certain type of feel. Usually I use illustration and typography, but this one I chose poster. But these are what they look like. Some of them got the sword wrong. So I think, which one was it? This one? No, that's got two swords. Yeah, it was this one right here, which I think came out the best. But that is the fourth niche I believe that I have for you. And then I think the fifth trending Redbubble niche to have for you is going to be protect wildlife. We can see right here it is trending. A little higher in competition, but not too bad. 2,193 results. And here is the design and prompt. So I think this came out actually really good. Very simplistic, very clean, kind of like silhouette style. Protect our wildlife. I think this could work well for like a sticker, wall art again, or even on a white t-shirt. And then the sixth niche that I have for you is going to be overstimulated. We can see right here it is trending. Only 807 results. A lot of stickers looks like it's selling here, pretty much on the first two rows except this one right here. I tried to do something like this. Let me show you. But instead of doing like I think it was a rat or like some type of hamster, I didn't want to do a straight up copy, so I just decided to go with the sloth instead. I think this turned out pretty good. It does look like it's sleeping, but this is another one that's kind of funny. Not dead, just overstimulated. Here is the magic prompt. Again, it will be in this PDF or Word file if you choose to download it for free. And then the last trending Redbubble niche that I have for you is going to be vintage mermaid. We can see it is trending. A little high in competition, 2,500, but still not too bad. And this is what the design looks like with the prompt that you can get. So I think this actually turned out really nice. Look how nice this is. They all look pretty good, to be honest. I think this looks good as well. Well, she's not really smiling in that one. But I think this one, that's probably the best. She's got a nice smile. This one also works well. Yeah, so those are the prompts I have for you. Comment below. Let me know what you think about these prompts. All right, and now I just want to go over some resources on how I get sales like this on a daily basis on Merch by Amazon. So if you go to my video right here and you click on this join button, I'm now offering memberships. Let me just pause this so it doesn't make noise. So I'm offering 3 tiers: bronze, silver, and gold. Now bronze, if you just want to support the free content, you get a loyalty badge and priority reply to comments. But the main value is going to be in the silver and gold packages. So in the silver, you're going to get members only videos, and you're going to get 4 a month or 1 a week. Each one is going to come out every Monday at 6 a.m. And those videos are basically going to have like 5 to 10 low competition evergreen niches. And those niches are also going to come with prompts as well for ideogram. And then every day you're also going to get a market update. And let me kind of show you what those look like. So like I said, you're going to get those 4 monthly videos, 1 a week, but then you're also going to get a market update. And here's the market update that I made from today. So basically, I'm just going to share with you a trending niche. Now, for the most part, I'm always able to find a trending niche, but in case there's not one trending, because there has to be obviously something trending, I'll just try and give you some other type of value. But like I said, for the most part, I'm able to find something. So here was the trending niche that I found this morning. It's Feral Granny Summer. And I basically talk about like why the niche is trending. I share with you a link to the design that is selling. I talk about how much competition there is. I talk about if it's safe with the trademarks. I also give you a prompt right here for it as well. I send you a link to some designs on Creative Fabrica, and I even give you like a brand, title, and bullet points for the niche, or yeah, for the trending niche as well. So that's what you're going to get with the silver package. You're going to get those 4 videos a month, 1 a week, and then you're also going to get these daily market updates on trending niches. And then if you sign up for the gold tier, you're going to get everything in the silver. So that's going to be all those member only videos and the daily market update. Plus, you're going to get once a month a Word file sent to you of 100 prompts for ideogram for niches that will be trending the following month. So today, I believe, is May 16th. So if you were to become a gold member today, on June 1st, you will receive a Word file with 100 prompts for trending niches that will be trending in July. That will give you like a month of time to basically prepare and get the designs up. All right, so those are the 3 tiers that I offer. Now, the price for the silver, it's only $7, and for the gold, it's only $10. Now, I live in Mexico, so that's why it says 99 here. That's not dollars, that's Mexican pesos. I have to make the conversion because of YouTube, but basically it should be like $7 for the silver, $10 for the 10. Now, if for any reason the join button is not available in your country, I'm offering the exact same thing for the exact same price on Patreon, and the link is in the description. If I could just get the heck out of here. Yeah, right here. So join my Patreon if YouTube join button is not available in your country. Like I said, exact same thing for the exact same price. And then if you are looking for like a beginner's course for Merch by Amazon, like if you're struggling to get sales, struggling to get out of tier 10, you're making like under $100 a month, I would highly recommend that you check out my beginner's course on Gumroad. It's only $19.99. I'm going to teach you everything I've learned being on Merch by Amazon for the past 7 years. I'm not the best Merch by Amazon seller, but you can see I do pretty good. Like I do around $100 a day, so 93, 124, 99, 94, you know, already at 36 at 9:30 a.m. in the morning. I'm a tier 8,000 seller. I'm just waiting to get tiered up. It's going to happen soon. But if you're interested, the link for the Merch by Amazon beginners course will be in the description. And then if you go to this merch course and you just click on my name right here, you'll see some of the other things that I offer. So I even have a Redbubble course as well. So if you haven't been approved yet for Merch by Amazon and you want to learn how to make money on Redbubble, I used to make like almost $300 a month on Redbubble, but they made some changes and my royalties honestly have just gone down a lot. But it's a really good course for Redbubble if you're interested. And I also have some freebies as well. So if you want 10 free ideogram prompts for Father's Day, I also have 50 free prompts for trending June niches. Then obviously the 7 free prompts I just talked about for Redbubble. All right, so all that stuff will be in the description. But I think that's it. Hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I will see you guys on the next one. Adios.